In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Map into Notion. By the end, you'll have an interactive Google Map sitting neatly inside your Notion page, ready to reference, plan, or share with teammates. All you need is a browser tab with Google Maps open and a Notion page where you want the map to live. Start in Google Maps and navigate to the exact place or area you want to display. Take a moment to set the zoom level and view you prefer, Street View, Satellite, or Default Map, so the link reflects what you actually want people to see. Next, click the Share option in Google Maps. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left panel for the location, or as a share icon near the place details. A small window will pop up with options to distribute the map. Choose Copy Link. This copies a standard sharing URL to your clipboard. You might also see an option to embed with code, but for Notion, the simple share link is perfect and keeps things quick and clean. Now switch over to your Notion page. Click where you want the map to appear so your cursor is in position. Type a /, then start typing the word embed. Notion will show you the embed block option. Click embed. A dialog box appears asking for a link or URL. Paste the Google Maps link you copied a moment ago. You can use your usual paste shortcut or right-click and paste, whichever you prefer. Finally, confirm by selecting embed link. Notion will process the URL and convert it into an interactive map right inside the page. Give it a second to load and you should see the location with full pan and zoom controls. Once it's in place, you can fine-tune the presentation. Drag the block's handles to resize the map so it fits your layout and reposition the block on the page to match your structure. If you need a different view, you can adjust the map right there or repeat the process with a new link. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you copied the standard share link from Google Maps rather than a browser URL that includes extra parameters from your session. If the map doesn't render and you only see a plain link, try the embed block again and ensure the link is complete. Also, anyone viewing the Notion page needs network access to Google Maps for the embed to load properly. That's it. You've taken a Google Maps view, copied its share link, and embedded it cleanly into Notion using the embed block. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your pages with live interactive maps.